ครูขยมทลบลือทาจนเจียดไถวิจองบ้านน่ะเคลมโคลดนึง
โอ้จองบ้านนะไปโยเกลือบตะดำที่เนาะ
โยครบต่อดำนอนนึงเดียด
บ้าโยตะดำบันดอตามจุ่มวิญจกาวินะ
บาท
เนี่ย
ให้ไม่เต้าครูอาจดำดอกบานเลย
บ้านแต่
เวียนดำดอกบานเลย
บ้าเด็ดดำตกอยู่เต้าเวียนเมียนอาณาได้เวียนเมียนดวงซีเต้าเวียจับเดิมเคลม
อ๋อ
เนี่ย
บา
แต่เมียนดวงซีเวียจับเดิมเคลมมาเวียโดยเคลมจันยังนะ
บา
แต่เมียนสมอยซีเวียจับเคลม
คลำอ่ะจับดำคลำอ่ะคือ
บ้า
บา
เวียเอาพวกนี้เต้าเรื่องโยเกลือบเวียได้ท่า
อ๋อ
เวียโยตะดำได้นะ
นั่งไงเลิกม้วนลือทาระใบมานี้ลือทาไทยวิจองโยอ้อยหมายยังอยู่โรยเวียเดี๋ยวนู้น
น้องไงเราต้องมาฮือจ้า
อ๋อ
ให้ไปเอาตะไลประมาณไหนลูกอ่ะ
ดังเด็กคุย
ไม่
จมมา
หัวแดง
ช่วงตะไลกันเทียบ
น้องไงเวียมารอดันนี่
บา
พวกตำบอลพลุมกันเล่นตำบอลโคลด
ลำบอลโคลด
เจอลูกครูอันนั้นบัตรนิยมตะดำเลยเนาะปลาเต้าสักเสร็จได้ที่ไหนลูกครู
ว่าเวียอัดประกันจุ่มสมัยแต่ยังเปียฉลาดจะรูปเปียรูปไอโจรบุคคลโจรอะไรก็เวียอัดประกันเนี่ยเวียอัดโดยพลุกตันไรอัดโดยแจตันไรอัดโดย
อ๋อ
นายชูกี้กว่านั่งแต่โจรแล้วซาบ่อยโจรบุคคลโจรไรซาบ่
บา
ซาไว้ทุกใบโดยจะโกงคลายังนะ
บา
หยิบทุก
ไอ้เบอร์น้องออดประกันเลย
บ่โคลดฉลาดจะรูปเปียให้อัดแจประกัน
อ๋อ
ไอโจรบุคคลก็ได้ได้ใส่ก็ได้ต้อมตะจีกี่บ่
ตัวเป็นไง
จีมไรกี่ยังโยเตรียมกี่ยังนะ
บา
เนี่ย
ครึกจำนอม
เนี่ย
สันทอง
คือเอกระดาคือเจอตอง
เหนื่อยต่อมาแล้วไงว่าถ้าเรื่องอาบใจให้ชมเจียดอันนั้นชมเจียด
อ๋อ
มวยรุกเจียดมวยชมเจียด
บา
รุกเจียดนี่พวกรุกเจียด
บา
ชมเจียดนั่นชมเจียดโดยจะนุบพระ
บา
แจตันไรทุกตันไร
ไร
เหนื่อย
บา
อันนั้นพวกนั้นพระสัตว์แปรเหรอยังเมียนบางอาบกี้ได้ระบอบเมียนทำไร
บา
แต่ว่ายังอัดต้อมก็ไปออกทำลายแต่ไปตุ้ม
ลบไม่ตุ้งจังแมงกูเนี่ย
เมียนเด้อโคมคลามบปันมีเชิงไอ้เปียจะลำโจบุคคล
ไอ้ยา
อาบานดังตู้สุโพ
มันเราไปตุ้งจังอ้อรถบ้าน
เมียนใส่บาด
กี่เตาบาดใด
แน่บอกว่าคลมโคลนนี่ใบใหญ่เต้ารูปกระเจี๊ยดที่ประกาศมอสำหรับเอาเยิงจัง
บา
เคยจะได้ตังตามรูปโกสละจิกไปกาไอ้พี่ไอ้
บาก
าโคลนกายหน้านั่นดำนางขแมยืงอะ
บาปู
เหนื่อยที่อัดดังที
ระวังมาอย่างเงี้ย
บาดขแมยืงคลั่งอันหานั่งปีแซ่เตียด
บา
เมียนนี่อัดดังนี่
บา
อันนั้นยังใหญ่อ้อจ้ะ
บา
จองอ้อยบองปูนขแมอยู่แต่พระ
บา
โคลดยังแจกพระเมียนเล็บเมียนตะเนียมตะเลือบเวีย
บา
ยังกัดตะปียังอาเม
บา
เนี่ยดดคะแนอยู่แต่ดะสงอผัก
บา
เนี่ยอยู่แต่ดะสงอผัก
บา
ดดกัดพอไปในมดดดคะแน
บา
ชื่อวิโมกระดา
บา
ชื่อโมกระดายังอยู่สงอผัก
บา
อาสันทรุไอ้ก็เอาโจเลยเอาโจบ้านเต
บาจงือไอ้ก็เมียนเลย
อัดเมียนเต
ให้สงามันชนังได้ลูกครู
งอต้องออกvì pram vì bảy vì đó cũng mùi cái nát
ผม
cũng mùi cái nát không vì cái nát nó như ngòm đỏ
บา
nè ngò sa cái nát cho cái nát
โอ้สงอมาซาหมอ
hay chiết kỳ mì lư chiêm lư ấy ประมาณต้องออกน้องวิทอย
โอ้
nè
จงมันสวัสดิ์ได้
แต่
กัน
ខ្ញុំអត់ចង់និយាយទេ
โอ้មួយទៀតគ្រូគឺថាប្របាទចៃម៉ានទី7ពេលដែលចាញ់ច្បាំងអញ្ចឹងគឺពាក់ក្លំក្លូតនេះ
ខ្ញុំខ្លួនទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងពួកហ្នឹង
អាយ៉ា
ណែមិនឃើញគេដាក់តំណាងឲ្យមើលទេ
បាទ
ណែគេប្រើក្លឹមខ្លួនទាំងអស់
បាទគាត់ពាក់មិនទៅគ្រូបានថាអាចអានេះកាប់សាច់មិនមុតដែរ
vì បើសិនតែយើងគិតតែស្ងោផឹកហើយយើងកាន់អាហ្នឹងខ្លួនវាមានខ្លួនតែមួយមុខទេណា
បាទ
ខ្លួនខ្លែតញីឈ្មោលវាត្រូវដាក់ស្ងោ
អូ
អាពីរកណាត់ហ្នឹងមានខ្លួនខ្លែតណា
បាទ
ណែ
មានខ្លួនខ្លែត
មានខ្លែត
បាទ
ណែបើយើងប្រើតែខ្លួនអត់ទៅ
ខ្លាំង
ខ ខ្លាំងទេយើងនិយាយចេះ
បាទបាទ
ណែ
ត្រូវមានក្លែតមួយទៀត
បាទមានផ្លែនេះទៀត
បាទបាទជាងទាំងអស់មិញវា4មុខមិញគ្រូណា
បាទ
ធ្វើកម្មទៅអី
វា5មុខ
5មុខ
បាទ
បាទបាទ
ក្លូតខ្លែក
ក្លូត
ក្លូតក្លែត
ក្លូតក្លែត
កន្លែងហ្នឹងផងដែរ
បើយើងអានេះយើងនិយាយទៅយើងចង់លាក់កូនខ្មែរទូទៅទេបាទបើយើងនិយាយចេះវាចេះតែដល់ប្រទេសក្រៅហើយ
បាទ
ព្រោះខ្លួននេះវាត្រូវការបន្សាបជាតិពឹស
អូ
ចេះ
ប្រសាទជាតិពឹស
បាទ
បាទ
ពឹសអសន្នរោគអីណា
បាទ
និយាយតួយ៉ាងខ្ញុំមកអ្នកស្ងោផឹក
បាទ
និយាយទៅក៏មកលឺទៅដល់គេខ្ញុំអត់ប៉ះពាល់ទេអារឿងជំងឺអី
បាទ
មកជុលអីណាចាក់ថ្នាំខ្ញុំមកចាក់ទេ
បាទ
ខ្ញុំផឹកតែនឹងទេ
បាទ
ហើយវាខ្លះមកទៅគ្នាថាប្រឹងឲ្យវាបានសម្រេចបំណងអ្វីមួយចឹងណា
បាទបាទ
ដល់មកទៅច្រើនតែភ្លើតភ្លើន
អូ
ដល់ភ្លើតភ្លើនទៅវាពិបាក
បាទ
វាពិបាកខ្លួនឯងហ្នឹងណា
បាទបាទ
នៅយូរទៅយើងនិយាយឲ្យល្អទៅថាបែក
បែកអូ
ញ៉ាំ
គាត់លឺ
បែ
និ
ក
យាយបែកចុះហើយ
ហ្នឹងហើយបែកចាបែកច្រើនគ្នាណាវានៅតាមរូងភ្នំបែកច្រើនគ្នាណា
មិនវិញគ្រូដែលថាបែកនេះវាទៅជាអីវិញ
បែកវាអត់មានគ្រូបាអាចារ្យដែលគ្រប់គ្រងពីដើមឡើយណាចេះតែមកនៅរៀននោះមិនដឹងជារៀនកម្ពីអី រៀនកម្ពីត្រៃវេទក៏មិនដឹងរៀនកម្ពី
បាទ
ធ្មប់អាបក៏មិនដឹងណា
បាទបាទបាទ
ណយមិនដឹងរៀនស្អីចឹងណា
ចុះពេលដែលធ្វើនៅក្នុងរូងភ្នំចឹងទៅមានពួកអមនុស្សកាចមកបំផ្លាញតែម្ដងមិនគាត់ខ្លាចទៅវាទៅជាភ័យខ្លាចបែកចឹងមកឬ
បែក
បែក
បែកច្រើនគ្នាបែកទាំងលោកទៀតណា
អីយ៉ា
លោកបែករត់ស្រែកឃ្លាទៅដល់ភូមិណា
អូ
អញ្ចឹងណានោះនៅអាតូបខាងក្រោយ
បាទបាទ
បែកលូតធ្លាក់ជាមុខជាមុត
អូ
លូតពីលើថ្ម
បាទបាទ
ណយសមាវាសមងសម័យឃើញគេស្អាតលូតអបគេអីចឹងណា
អូ
ហើយបែកមុខបែកមាត់រត់ទិញថ្នាំលេបអីចឹងណា ណែ
ពេលដែលអង្គុយអ្នកដែលអង្គុយសមាធិអញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាពពួកព្រាយពួកអីហ្នឹងវាមកហ៎មកសាក់លបង
យើងវាអត់មានអីចងគេអត់មានអីទប់មួយគេ
បាទ
យើងថាមករៀនហ្នឹងមករៀនឲ្យខ្លាំង
បាទបាទ
តែដល់មិនខ្លាំងទៅជាបែកអស់លី
អូវាទៅជាគេខ្លាំងជាង
បាទ
ព្រាយនឹងខ្លាំងជាង
អូកុំនិយាយជាមួយពួកអមនុស្សគេមិនសូវចូលចិត្តយើងទេតែ
អូ
យើងស៊ីមិនគប់3និយាយមិនគប់3ក៏គេមិនចូលចិត្តយើងដែរ
អូ
ពេលរៀនទៅវាបែកតែខ្លួនយើងហ្នឹងណា
បាទបាទបាទបាទ
ពេលរៀនដូចតារុំបជាវក៏មិនបែកគាត់
ទៅតារួមពជាវ
ហ្នឹងហើយមិនឃើញគាត់នៅរាប់10ឆ្នាំទេ
នៅឯមានឃើញ
នៅតាំងពីតាណាខ្ញុំមកនោះ
អូលោកតាលើថាខ្លាំងតា
ញ៉ៃឃើញគាត់បែកណា
អត់ផង
មកគាត់កាន់បាន
បាទបាទ
អានេះកាន់បានច្រើនតែបែក
កាន់មិនបានហ្នឹងនៅរូងភ្នំកាន់មិនបានហើយមិនបានមិនទៅ
វាមិនបាន
ព្រោះថា
រឿង
គាត់នៅតែឯងរូងភ្នំចេះហើយឬក៏ប៉ះពាល់ជាមួយនឹងពួកអមនុស្សហ្នឹង
យើងចង់និយាយថា
បាទ
ថាយើងខ្លាំងមានណាខ្លាំងលើសយើងទៀតណា
បាទមានអ្នកខ្លាំងជាងយើងទៀត
ណែដូចយើងរស់នៅលើផែនដីអញ្ចឹង
បាទ
មានអ្នកខ្លាំងប្រកែមួយគេថាគេខ្លាំងចាប់តែដល់ម៉ោងមានគេខ្លាំងដែរ
បាទ
យើងវាចាប់ត្រឹមហ្នឹងថាយើងថាវាក្អែកអីវាខ្លាំងវានៅខ្ពស់
បាទ
មានអាសត្វនោះជួអាចដាក់វាក្អែកអីទៀត មែនទេហើយចឹងមកយើងថាសម័យជឿនលឿនយើងសុកចិត្តលាកមកកោះនៅស្ងៀមទៅ
បាទបាទបាទ
ជិលណាចង់ពីខ្លាំងអីក៏ខ្លាំងទៅចង់ពីធ្វើអីក៏ធ្វើទៅពីចង់ពីទៅណាក៏ទៅយើងនៅតែស្ងៀមទៅហើយ
ប៉ុន្តែលោកតាជួបច្រើនទេអ្នកដែលបែកនៅលើភ្នំកលែងយើងហ្នឹង
អូច្រើន
អូ
ច្រើនតែហូបបាយតាមផ្ទះខ្ញុំហីតែបែកឲ្យដើរហូបបាយហ្នឹងទៅដើររើសបាយស៊ីឬអីសពគ្រប់ទៅខ្ញុំចេះតែហៅបាយទៅណាខ្លះគេខ្ពើមខ្ញុំខ្ពើមទេមនុស្សដូចគ្នាតែគ្នាបែកយ៉ាងធ្វើមក
ប៉ុន្តែលោកតាអត់អាចជួយតម្រង់គាត់ឲ្យត្រង់វិញបានទេណោះដល់កម្រិត
ជួយ យើងជួយលោកសាស្ត្រាណាមនុស្សនោះស្ដាប់យើង
អូ
បើមនុស្សស្ដាប់យើងអត់ស្ដាប់យើងបានផងហ្នឹង
បាទ
ហើយ
បាទ
លេខស្ដាប់បាទ
ស្ដាប់អត់បានណា
បាទ
ហូបតែបាយហើយតែនិយាយរៀងណែនឿមបន្តិចចាប់ផ្ដើមខឹង
តុង
តងមុំស្រួលបើក្អួតបាយចេញក្អួតចេញចោលទៀត នេះនេះយើង
បាទ
មើ
ចុង
អូគេមកដេកស៊ីខ្ញុំច្រើនណាស់តែខ្ញុំបដៅគេគេមិនស្ដាប់
អូក្លឹមក្លូតតាមរបៀបលោកគ្រូគឺដឹងតែប្រកែហ្មងលោក
តែ
គ្រូធ្លាប់
តែ
ឆ្លង
ហាមតែប្រមាថគេ
តែតាមមួយមុខនឹងឯងគ្រូប្រើ
បាទ
បាទបាទចុះដូចជាដើមក្រងដើមអីហ្នឹងគ្រូ
អាហ្នឹងក្រងវាយើងចង់និយាយថា
បាទ
យើងទៅតាមមនុស្ស
តាមមនុស្សដែរ
នោះគេជំនឿអញ្ចឹងណា
បាទបាទ
តែគេជំនឿបានគេទៅខាងហ្នឹងទៅបង
បាទបាទគ្រូ
នៅតែតាមមនុស្សទៅតាមតំបន់ បើថាខាងបាត់ដំបងអញ្ចឹងគេត្រូវការខាងក្រងខាងពញាក្អែងក្រងខាងអីនោះ
បាទបាទ
ហ្នឹងហើយ
ហ្នឹងហើយ
អញ្ចឹងតា
ក្លឹមក្លូតខ្ញុំធ្លាប់លើគ្រូណាធ្លាប់លើ
នៅក្បែរលោកគ្រូនោះមិនក្លោត
នេះគ្រូត
ឯណា
រយណាហ្នឹង
ក្លឹមក្លូតនេះ
នេះ
តែអត់មានកាប់
តែកាប់ចោលវាអត់ក្លឹម
បាត់ក្លឹមមក
ហ្នឹងរយណា
ចុះរាល់ថ្ងៃលោកគ្រូនៅមានដែរទេក្លឹមក្លូតហ្នឹង
មាន
នៅមាន
បាទ
ចុះបងប្អូនក៏ត្រូវការអីមិនទៅ
ត្រូវការកើតមកយកមកណា
គាត់មកយកមក ស្រួលទេគ្រូណា
ណែ
ត្រូវការមកយកមក
ជួយខ្ញុំឲ្យទាហានមកសំឲ្យតែកាពេះ
អូបាទក្លឹមក្លូតយើងស្លា
អា
ប់
ហ្នឹង
តែប្រព័ន្ធកូនដៃ
មិន
ដែរ
ឲ្យគេយើងប្រាប់គេដែរណា
បាទបាទបាទ
ប្រាប់តាកូនអើយកុំប្រមាថគេ
បាទ
កុំធ្វើបាបគេណា
បាទគ្រូបាទ
យើងនៅស្មោភូមិហ្នឹងរស់ហើយ
រស់ហើយ